In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact seller on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to contact the seller, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is select the item that particular seller sells. What you have to do is scroll down in this interface. You can simply click on the item of your choice, or you can also search for the seller or item. For that, click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to search for the item that the seller sells. Right now, I'm just going to select from this interface. Click on that particular item. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. You can see over here, you'll be able to see the details regarding that item over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see the seller that is selling this item. What you have to do is click on it. Now again, you'll be redirected to the new tab. You'll be able to see the seller's name over here. Also, you'll be able to find these options for visit profile, contact, save. Click on this option contact that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to contact the seller. You'll be able to find three options over here. This is not about an item. Select an item, enter item number. If your query is regarding the item, you can simply click on this option, select an item or enter item number. But if your query is not about the item, click on this option, this is not about an item. Once you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the messages interface. Now you'll be able to send the message to this particular seller. What you have to do is click on the message bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now type in your message. Now you can also attach the photos if you want. If you want to send the copy to your email, check on this box that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter the message, what you have to do is click on the send icon that you can see on the screen, or you can simply press enter. Now you can see over here your message has been sent. Now the seller will respond to you. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact seller on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.